Now I want to show you some examples of a present perfect verb and a past perfect verb. Okay, the first example shows you the present perfect example. Mom has called me for dinner. The verb is has called. You notice that it's the verb to have, but it's the singular form, has. Mom has. And then you put it together with the past of call, which is called. So it's has called. The has is present, and the ed makes it perfect. So that's present perfect. Okay, now I'm going to show you one where you have more than one subject. You have children, which is plural. So instead of using has, you have to use have. And remember, has, have, and had are all part of the same verb. They're part of the verb to have. So because we have children, we have to say the children have come to dinner. Come is the past tense of the word to come. So it's today I come, yesterday I came, I have come. So the past participle is come. The children have come to dinner. Both of those are in the present perfect tense. The next example is the past perfect, an example of the past perfect tense. We had sailed our boat already. Notice that the have becomes had, which is past, and sailed is the past participle, which ends in ed. So we had sailed our boat already. What the present and past perfect tenses are trying to create for us is this sense of this action has already taken place and has been what we call perfected in time. So it happened and it is completed or perfected in time. As we are talking about it, it has already taken place. For instance, if you were going to say we had sailed our boat already, then that could be part of a larger kind of a paragraph where you would say something like, well, I would have liked to have taken my boat to the Bahamas, but we had sailed our boat already to the dock. Okay, so it's like something has already happened and taken place and it's over with, and therefore we can't do something else. Okay, so again, like I told you yesterday in the video, we have a lot of ways to express time in our language, and when we hear them, they make perfect sense to us and we know exactly what the person means and what they're saying. But when we start breaking them down and what they look like and how we form them and what we call them, it can get very, very, very confusing. All I want you to really understand is that you can see the different tenses in these verbs. The simple tenses, the simple present, past, and future. And then we had the progressive tense yesterday, which always ends in ing. And today we have the perfect tense, which always ends in ed, or the past participle of the verb. And if you can remember that, then that's enough for now, and we will hit this again next year and make sure that you understand it. Okay, I hope this helps.